It's always safest to let a professional pierce your ear with a hollow piercing needle. But with the right precautions, you can pierce your ear with a safety pin in a pinch. Put on a pair of sterile disposable gloves and boil the safety pin for 5 to 10 minutes to sterilize it. Once the pin has cooled down, wipe it down with a cotton swab soaked in rubbing alcohol to kill any lingering bacteria. Clean your earlobe with rubbing alcohol too. When you're ready to pierce your ear, use a fine tipped marker to draw a dot on your earlobe where you want the piercing to go. Wrap an ice cube in a clean towel and hold it to your ear for 5 to 10 minutes to numb your skin. Hold a clean eraser or cork behind your ear so you don't accidentally poke yourself when the pin goes through your ear. Take a deep breath and push the point of the pin through your earlobe and into the eraser or cork in one quick fluid motion. Remove the eraser and close the pin while it's still in your ear. Then clean around the piercing with a cotton swab dipped in rubbing alcohol. After 15 to 20 minutes, remove the pin and replace it with a sterile stud earring.